Guys, so today we're doing a tile blow-off valve versus a knockoff tile blow-off valve. The black one is the real tile blow-off valve, and the red one here, that's our knockoff tile blow-off valve. We got them laid out. This is what came with each kit. We got the springs, we got our top cap, bottom piece and diaphragm there, our seal for the V-band, our V-band clamp, bolts, and the little spacers that go inside the V-band. And same thing on the knockoff side. We got our top piece, bottom piece, and diaphragm. This is a steel versus an aluminum V-band clamp, and two springs and a O-ring. So we're gonna start comparing the real to the fake one. So they both came with 6mm banjo vacuum lines. Both came with the bolts, and they both came with the crush washers inside there. On the inside, not too much of a difference. Both machined. Both have these in there. For the V-bands, this is a steel V-band. It's a little wavy in some of the areas, and this is the real one that came with the real tile blow-off valve. It's machined aluminum, a lot lighter than the steel one. For springs, they don't tell you what tension or what vacuum these are meant to be for. They just send both of these. When you buy from Tile's website, you can get a specific spring for your engine application, which is nice for just proper running. And the biggest difference we noticed was in the diaphragms. I'm going to lay these out in the middle here for you. You can see that the real diaphragm, the spring sits a lot deeper inside of the bottom of the blow-off valve versus our knockoff. You see here, that one's, my first joint, and then this one goes, almost to the second joint of my finger. The diaphragm material itself, this one doesn't have a full coating of, I guess, wax or plastic, whatever it is, and the real one feels smooth all the way around, which is a little higher quality for sure. Here's the side views of them. You can see that there's a slightly different shape. The machining inside the knockoff is a little worse, but it still operates. So we're gonna put these back together. We're gonna build both of them. We're gonna install them on the car, and you guys can get a hear for if they sound different and if the engine runs any differently with the fake installed versus the real blow-off valve. We got the real blow-off valve installed on the Nissan 300ZX. We're gonna go take it for a drive, and you guys can have a listen to what the real one sounds like. Turbo!
And then we'll do the fake one afterwards.
Oh yeah. Well, I don't know what to say. So we just put on the knockoff blow-off valve, and fits on the same V-band, same seal, same vacuum port, and we're gonna go out and give you guys a sound comparison from the original real tile blow-off valve. Hey guys, so we're wrapping up this video. The fake one did work on the car. It still released, the boost pressure, the atmosphere, just as well as the real one. They do sound super similar. Quality wise, it's not bad as we thought it would be, but there are differences that make the real tile blow-off valve better than this one. This one costed a fraction of what the real one did, so it's really up to you guys on your budget and what you want to do with your car. Worked out well, and hit that subscribe button. Thanks.